Okay, so let's make a strawberry daiquiri. So first thing you're going to need is glassware. For that we have a coupe glass with some ice chilling. Put that to the side there. Then we're going to need equipment. For that you're going to want your shaker, because this is a shaken cocktail. Now we're going to want to start adding the ingredients, and for this you're going to be wanting 60 ml of your white rum. For that we have Bacardi here. 60 ml of that. Now you're going to be wanting to add 15 ml of your simple syrup. And 20 ml of your lime juice. Usually I'd add 30, but on the strawberry I take it down 10 just so I can get a bit more strawberry rather than lime in the flavour. And finally you're going to be wanting to add 30 ml of your strawberry puree. So all the ingredients are added. Now we're going to be adding ice. Ice added, now we just shake. Right, now we're going to discard the ice. And we're going to be wanting to strain into our glass. Ooh, nice. And finally, you're just going to want to garnish with a strawberry. And there we have it, the strawberry daiquiri.